Hello and welcome everyone. We're gonna be replacing a coil pack on a V6 Ford Mustang. This should be the same for any Mustang V6 from 99 to 2004. Let's go ahead and remove the plug. I had to cut a zip tie that was holding it because it was broken. We're going to need a 932 socket to remove the bolts that are holding the coil pack for a total of 3 bolts. For the bolt that is on top, I couldn't find the right tool, so I went to the sketchy side and used a plier. Sometimes we gotta work with what we have. Right here you can see that I have mark on every wire, but you won't really need that because we will do it one by one to avoid any mistake, any confusion, so that way it will be better. Anyway, it is a good idea to mark your cables just in case you forget something. Before you install the new one, go ahead and take a look at it, make sure you got the right part. And as I was mentioned, I will do one by one. While switching the cables, do a visual inspection to make sure everything is fine. For the metal connection, it will be a good idea to use some compound, but if you don't have it, you can use a little bit of grease. That will do the job. Once you have everything connected, just double check, make sure everything is fine, everything is tight and good to go. Bolts do not need to be super tight. Do not use any extra force. I would say probably 10 foot-pound would be more than enough. That last bolt is holding a ground connection. Make sure you put it back the same way it was. Time to reconnect your plug and everything should be good to go. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.